hindi namin in-expect talaga. And to everyone that has supported us of all ages, it's eye-opening din kasi parang na-realize ko na, oh, okay, like different age groups appreciate us and enjoy us and are fans of us. And kahit yung mga edits na nakikita ko and yung mga comments, the few comments that I've seen and read, it really nakakatuwa talaga because I would have never expected that it would get to this point really. And I'm just really overall thankful for all of them.
And also, it's so nice that we really appreciate each other as on-screen partner. I'd like to ask them, I'd just like to piggyback on the title of the film, Isang Daang Bulaklak Para Kay Luna. Andres, if you were to give a kind of flower to Ashton, what kind of flower is it and why?
White rose. Bigay mo lang kanina.
I think I said it before, but I would give Ash, like I just gave her kanina, white rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yun, Andres.
Ito yun.
For the
Bigay
visual.
talaga ni Andres to kay Ashton na. Hindi siya part ng props. So, 100 ba to?
Direct wala sa script yun eh.
100?
Hindi 100,
Okay.
pero... Diyan yan. Yeah. I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just like, halimbawa, a red rose, you know, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, may memo lang ako natanggap. 100 daw yan, sabi ng Vino Films family natin.
Oo, mukha naman.
Yeah, Andres made sure.
Tapos Destiny pa kasi white rose papaya.
Kaya,
Thank you. Siguro, direct bonus question na lang. Why do you think the characters in this film really fit both Andres and Ashley?
Well, kung alam mo yung backstory nitong project na to, nauna ko siyang na-conceptualize na wala pa talagang actors in mind. Pero, nung pinitch ko siya sa Viva, si Andres na yung pinapropose ko doon, hindi pa siya nag-aartista talaga doon. Tapos, hindi binigay sa akin ng Viva kasi parang in the middle of going through workshops. Kumbaga parang pinapahinog pa nila si Andres. Tapos, so for about 2 or 3 years, nakashelve lang yung project. And then, nung finally, nagkaroon na sila ng, kasagsagan ng mutya ng Section E. Ni-revive namin yung project. Tapos, ganun din, nagustuhan ng dad niya. Diba? Tapos, hinahanapan din ng Viva ng project yung Ash Dress kasi, yun nga, sensational sila yung reception ng mga tao sa kanila. So, bagay sa kanila kasi parang ang lapit sa personality niyo. Kasi si Andres, na nakikita ko, parang hindi naman siya introvert, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya yung parang jock na lalaki. Goofy siya on set, lagi siya nagme-make faces sa camera at binibidyohan ko yun, i-release ko yun one day. Tapos si Ashley naman, she always struck me as someone na, alam mo yun, yung parang resilient, strong woman. Tapos ipapartner mo pa dun sa acting ability nila, parang sa ganun mo nakakita na bumangit talaga sa kanilang character. Aside from bagay sa real personalities nila, you really know their craft. Napakita ba natin sa mga tao na nag-ano talaga sila, workshops talaga sila na intensive under Sir J. Cruz for, 7 days, 5 days? Mga ganon, 8 days to really prepare for the role. Yun. So, gaya na sabi ko, mixture of bagay sa, match dun sa real personalities nila in real life at saka dun sa intense love nila for the craft.
And also, it must be destiny.
And if I may add as well na the first time na nakuha ko yung script, nung binasa ko talaga, from the very first page, I could not put it down talaga. Kasi parang na-imagine ko yung sarili ko sa mga lines ni Rafi at nakakita ko din yung pagkasalita ni Luna clash din minsan. And parang habang binabasa ko, mas lumalabas na yung emotions ko habang binabasa ko yung script for the first time. Kaya I knew at that time na, wow, ang galing ni Direk mag-write, you know, and I had a feeling na, okay, ito yun, like, this is the right project.
Thank you and congrats. Good luck with the film.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
Thank you so much. All right, next up, we have from Anong Ganap. Let's have Sir Erwin Agawa.
Hello guys! Okay, ito ulit sa movie nyo. Okay, so, since nagkasama na kayo sa Mutya, so, kamusta naman yung first day of shooting nyo for Minamahal? Konting kwento. Kinabahan pa ba kayo or first day? Any memorable?
Siguro mas more on kinakabahan para sa pagkapako sa character kasi nangangapa pa ako sa character eh. Pero with Andres, parang sa kanya ako nakakuha ng assurance na kaya mo yan. Yun, sa kanya ako nakuha yun.
Assurance, sinabi ko.
Yes.
Yes!
The first few days ng shooting namin was not easy, pero nag-enjoy kami talaga. Yung mga first few sequences were, di ba direct medyo mga mabigat na eksena. Mabigat.
Inuna namin.
Yung mga first 5 days ng shoot, it was all mga mabigat na eksena. So, syempre, kinabahan kami. But overall, since we enjoy what we're doing and we enjoy the craft of acting, we were able to get it done and do a good job, I hope.
And last question, paano kayo nakarelate sa mga characters nyo sa film? Paano kayo nakarelate? Ano medyo pareho sa mga characters in real life?
So tingin ko kasi si Rafi, you know, he's a very shy person. I don't want to say din na he's introverted. Parang ako dati nung nasa high school ako, I was not super extroverted. I was medyo shy, tahimik lang talaga. Tapos parang, I don't want to spoil it. But yun nga, parang nung high school ako, I was a little bit shy, you know, and as I started to work here in the industry, I started to learn more about myself and I guess bloom to who I am today. Bloom, flower, reference. And yun, I think it's very similar, ako naman, I think it was very similar yung character ko ni Andres kay Rafi, at least in the idea na how nice he is and how thoughtful Rafi is. I think it applies to me as well.
And Ash?
Ako siguro sa akin, parehas kami na alam kung hanggang saan or kung hanggang kailan lang dapat yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung parang hindi namin pinipilit kung ano yung hindi para sa amin.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
There we go. All right. Last on the list, we have from Pika Pika and Abante, Miss Ana Pingon.
Hi, hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Marami na kaming nakitang love teams sa pagko-coverage namin sa showbiz. Ang kalaban usually, lalo na pagsikat, burnout. Paano nyo kaya malalabanan yun?
Pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman, ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right now, habang may energy pa ako, at habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro isipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun parang minsan mapapagod ka, isipin mo kung tuloy ko pa ba to, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto itong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Yun po.
Next question.
Add ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although yun nga, it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nag-lift nililift up nila each other in spite of the stress, di ba? It helps kasi pag ganun, di ba? So imagine mo na lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa, tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho, talaga mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress.
Oh,
yes,
You
naman,
like
oh.
being in each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or yung mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic. Or minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulong ko din siya in those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Okay. Next question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo.
The last question.
Ako muna? Ko talaga, like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman, because she's my friend, there is that love, and I really appreciate Ashtin for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, And yun, ikaw.
Ako, sa'yo po, syempre, my love din. Kahit sino na. Hindi, syempre, love namin si Direk, love namin. Totoo yun, kasi mas makakapag-work kayo ng maayos if love niyo yung isa't isa. And sobrang thankful talaga ako na ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Andres. Kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad mo na sabi ni Direk, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
There we go, and I think that wraps up our Q&A session. Palakpakan naman natin lahat, pero I'd like to add lang, di ba kanina tinatanong nila, bakit sa tingin niyo minamahal kayo ng audience niyo from kids to teenagers to adults? Kasi feeling ko in a world full of pretentious people, where you can wear a mask, you never try. Sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. And take it from me. Palakpakan naman natin, guys, all of the media friends na nagtanong, and of course, Direk, and of course, Ashtin, and of course, Andres. Palakpakan natin sila for being able to answer all of your questions. Sa ating media friends, maraming salamat po. Again, our official hashtags are hashtag Minamahal MediaCon, hashtag Minamahal Movie, and guys, ito na, campus tours and mall tours, ipopost namin sa social media. Dapat nating abangan yan. And of course, international screenings natin. Again, 24 sa Philippines, 26 sa USA and Canada, at sa Middle East naman, coming soon. And of course, ibang bansa pa, guys. To the best of our ability, we're gonna explore the world, diba? To be announced pa yung mga bagay na yan. Thank you so much! Guys, alright, last photo opportunity para sa ating media friends.
And lastly, if I may add.
And lastly,
Tickets are already now available, so please check your local cinema and tickets are already available, so please support.
yes.